Once again, congratulations, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You've proven yourself to be the one that we want for this job. I mean, the interview we made earlier just showed that you are the right person. And as you know, you'll be the one managing this our young talent here. As you know, he's a content creator. You'll be managing his social media platform from Facebook to IG to Twitter, even TikTok. You'll be managing everything, and be sure to portray him in a good light. Please note that your salary will be 500,000 naira monthly, non-negotiable.
Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Win an iPhone 15 Pro Max on 1xBet. How to win this iPhone? Just register on 1xBet with my promo code PillsBet and get 300% bonus on your first deposit. Click the Take Part button on the offer page. High Price Paradise. Receive tickets for making deposits on 1xBet and use those tickets for daily prize draws. As bigger you deposit, as more chance to win. Oshe.
I am so humbled, to be very honest, and I promise to bring in my best into this team to make sure that we'll blow this artist fast via his social media account.
Trust
You understand? And I will make sure everything is fine.
But
What's going on here? What is going on here? Is this not the man I'm supposed to manage his social media account?
Yes, he's our Oga. You are here to swear because we want to make sure that all his social media accounts are in safe hands. We know 1 year, strong 7 years old Facebook, sure, put call. We know 1 year, strong 7 years Instagram, active, sure, put call. So you are here to swear.
My son, this one is for madness. This one is for kidney failure. This one, I will not tell you. When you drink it, you will confirm. Let me give you this. What's this man?
Jesus.
You will handicap.